Hi, we're Team Fortifly from UC Berkeley.
I'm Jocelyn.
I'm Serene.
And I'm Emily.
We hope you enjoy our presentation.
One of the most common questions influencers get is, what's your skincare routine while traveling? This question is asked often because people are aware that traveling can be uncomfortable and damaging to the skin. Most influencers respond to this question with expensive and lengthy routines that aren't sustainable, affordable, or feasible for most people. Our mission is to provide a realistic alternative to travel skincare that combats skin risks associated with traveling, while remaining environmentally friendly and convenient.
We see a huge market gap.
Globalization means that more people, in particular young adults, are using air travel. People fly for business, vacation, school, special occasions, and more. In fact, air travel continues to increase exponentially, with total global passengers reaching nearly 4 billion in 2017. We recognize that this new on-the-go lifestyle that many millennials are now adopting can make it more difficult to properly take care of their skin during travel.
In an airplane cabin, the recycled air has a humidity of just 20%. This is drier than the Sahara Desert. Also, UV exposure is at a hazardous level on flights due to your proximity to the sun. 1 hour on the plane means 20 minutes on a tanning bed. Not to mention, the pressurized air in the cabin leads to dullness and constricts circulation. All of these factors are a sure recipe for skin aging, dehydrated skin, and pop-up acne.
Our solution to this problem is our one-of-a-kind flight pack. The flight pack includes a pre-flight milky cleanser, on-flight SPF lotion to combat sun exposure and dryness, and post-flight cleanser and ultra-hydrating moisturizer to exfoliate and replenish the skin. Our key active ingredients include hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and sun filters. Current active skincare brands of L'Oreal could easily be used to fulfill the different products included in the flight pack. Our product appeals to people's desire for convenience and ease of use while traveling, but we didn't sacrifice our responsibility to the environment. Our packaging is completely compostable from the outer paper shell to the inner lining. On top of this, the package is also small and minimal, which makes the flight pack easy to carry when traveling.
The other concern with traveling is the introduction of our skin to new environment. We buy and bring different clothes when we travel to accommodate for the climate. Why don't we do the same for our skin? Of course, it's too expensive and unreasonable to completely modify your skincare routine whenever you travel. Our solution? Skin boosters.
Skin boosters are active ingredient serums formulated for different skin types and specific to a destination's climate and air quality. We plan on using existing climate models that include environmental parameters such as seasons and pollution levels in order to formulate these serums. These serums can then more accurately address concerns the skin is most likely to encounter in these new regions. Possible regions to address include tropical humid, hot dry, cold dry, and more. Each region may also experience varying levels of pollution, which will be taken into account.
Possible places for purchasing these products include traditional drugstores and pharmacies, online markets, and airport shops. However, one of our goals is to grow a network of kiosks and airport terminals just for these products. An online site would allow you to reserve boosters and flight packs for easy pickup at the airport, but day of purchases at the kiosk would also be possible. When making your purchase online or at the kiosk, a questionnaire would need to be filled out to collect information about your destination, duration of your trip, and your skin type in order to match you to the correct booster.
Other data such as age, gender, and flight number could also be collected in order to improve marketing strategies and products. Partnerships with various airlines is another possible option for the marketing and distribution of our flight pack. It would be a great in-flight amenity for business and first-class travelers. Furthermore, the average income of frequent travelers is typically higher than the national average income. We're reaching a consumer who can afford active skincare brands and can gain potential loyalty to other brands of active skincare within L'Oreal.
This market also has tons of potential for growth. With a steady increase in air travel, this is a perfect market to go into. We've also recognized L'Oreal's desire to gain new consumers in the sector through its investment in its group travel retail division.
But we believe that the industry doesn't have to stay that way. It's constantly changing with innovation on both sides. We believe that it is our responsibility to show that convenient traveling can also be sustainable.
With all this in mind, let's be real. We're selling to people with aspirations and families and friends and lives with new beginnings.
Travel is often associated with important moments in our lives. We think of best friends' weddings, moving out and living on our own for college, getting a new job, family vacations, and so on. Aspects of traveling are already stressful enough. Your skin should be the least of your worries.
Our team has done lots of research, designing, and redesigning to bring innovative products that will disrupt the active cosmetics industry as it is today.
Thank you so much for watching our presentation, and we hope to see you all in New York.
We are Team Fortifly.
For your skin in the sky.